name is Daniel, and in this video I will talk more about trading with AgenaTrader. We will focus on the discretionary trading tools which are available. And I will show you how you can create an order, how you define the order size with let's say a standard trading pad, how you define the price and the order type. I will also show you how to create an order directly from the chart and via the DOM and the quick trader. Last but not least, another option to create orders are hotkeys. So we will also talk about assigning hotkeys and then using them to create orders in the charts. Very important to know, with AgenaTrader you can basically change price and position of every order, so there is a drag and drop function to move order bars in the chart. Let us start with the chart trading pad. For this we simply go to our regular single chart container, the one which we created in our first video about charting in AgenaTrader. And in order to receive data, of course, I'm going to main connect to the data feed I have. In my case it's AgenaTrader. If you have any other forex data feed, you can also use the other data feed. I have to also connect to a trading account, of course. In our case we simply use the simulated account, so again we activate the connection via the main menu toolbar to our sim trading account. As we learned, we have a few trading possibilities via our chart. One possibility is the chart trading pad. As we learned, the action bar, which is on the right side of each and every chart, contains a few symbols which will open a specific feature for the chart. In our scenario we want to open the chart trading pad. This is the symbol here. If you hover over, you can see the name popping up. You can open it with one click, and with clicking again you can close it. Alright, this trading pad is quite simple and maybe known from similar platforms. The first item shows me which kind of instrument is loaded in the chart, which is the Euro/US dollar right now. I can choose from a quantity I want to buy or sell by either clicking the up or down arrow buttons, or I can just override the content. The buy and sell button then afterwards will immediately submit an order with this specific order size and type to the broker. There's another button called out RTH. RTH stands for real-time hours, which means if you activate this button you could place, let's say, limit orders outside the regular market open times, so it will not be triggered immediately but only after the market opens again. The order type options, we have 3 different order types, from market order, limit order, stop limit order and the regular stop market order. Then there is a possibility to set the order expiry. GTC means good till cancel, day means the order is valid 1 day, and GDD means the order is valid till a specific date and time. The financial advisor profile is not active, it's not available right now. The operations, we also come a little bit later to that. They allow us to quickly send buy or sell orders on either ask or bid prices, flatten orders or reverse orders. Let us simply create a market order. So we set order type as market, good till cancelled, quantity 20,000, and hit buy. This immediately will create an order, which you can see as an order box inside the chart, showing you the current profit loss, the name and quantity. And if you click sell with the same quantity again, it will close this position. As you see in the chart, some entry and exit markers have appeared, where we talked a little bit about this in the charting video again. You can access it via the context menu, settings, trading visualization, or via the chart toolbar on top. In my case, I deactivated this option, so I have to go and activate it again. And after I activated this option, I can now access and change it. So I disabled the entry and exit markets. As you see, they disappeared. I enabled execution prices, so it is showing me inside the chart the price and order amount which got executed. I can either have entry exit markets or show executions. I cannot have both. The 80++ stop lines we will discuss when we talk about AgenaTrader Plus automated strategies in another video. So what I would like to do is I would like to show my trade bars so I can see the trade bars in the chart. If you deactivate this, no trade bars will be shown in the chart, and I would like to see entry and exit markers as well as trade lines. Another formation tool in AgenaTrader is the order manager or trading manager, for example. To open them, I have to go to Tools, Trading Information, and then select either Order, Trading Manager, or both. In my case, I just opened the Order Manager and will show all the orders and the status of the orders and all the order information required. I can change the filter to a specific time range and a specific accounts I would like to see, and the creation time, for example, or closing time. If I apply it, the changes will be applied. The plus button allows me to link the order manager to a single chart. What I would like to achieve now is I would like to see the order manager below my chart, always open, so I don't have to switch between the tabs. In this case, we use the drag and drop docking system again, which we also saw in the charting video, where I just select the tab, press left mouse key and hold it, and then drag and drop the chart container down so I can see these little small boxes, and when I drop it in one of these boxes, like at the very bottom, I will open another charting container area. I can make this area a little bit smaller in the middle of the edges and drag it down to a smaller size. In the Trades Manager, which I will also open now, you can see the complete trade. So you don't only see single orders, but entry and exit, and all the executions are in one line. And it allows me to open a snapshot template for the complete trade. The snapshot template is taken from the configuration as called settings, category chart, and here I could change this snapshot template, and we will change it to our list shop template new chart, which we created in the list chart group container. So next time I'm closing a trade, I will have the charting view which I created with this template. Okay, let us go back to the trading bed and talk about the different order types. So before that, we created a market order which will be executed with the current market price. The limit order allows me to set a specific price. Please take care, a limit buy order can only be set below current market price. A limit sell order can only be set above the current market price. So I'm using a buy order and I'm setting it to 1.179, and it will be created below current market price. And as you can see in the order manager, this order is now available here as well, and the state is working, so it's not filled yet. Let us create some more orders. Let's assume we're thinking about a trading strategy, including stop loss and take profits. Using a stop market order, sell order below the limit order, And now I have 2 orders in the market, and once my buy order gets triggered, I have also a stop sell order in my market. In case the market drops even further, it will close my position and I'm out of the trade. Please note, this is not yet a trading strategy, because for trading strategies we would need order connections. If done OCO, for example, we will discuss order connections in the chart trading part. But just to show you, I will also create a sell limit order above the market price, which I can change in price by simply drag and drop. I'm using my left mouse button and moving it to the red or green line next to the order bar box, and by press and holding the left mouse button I can drag and drop it to a different price. On the left side of each order there is an option to replace an order with a different order size, different type for example, but I could also replace or change the order size within the chart trading, within the trading box, by simply clicking on the order size value and overriding it. With the X button on the right side of each order box, I can delete, close these orders again. However, there's another order type which is called stopLimit. A stop limit order has the option to set 2 prices: the stop price when the order is supposed to be triggered, and the limit price, which limits the execution to a specific price. In my scenario now, I'm setting a stop buy order above market price with 1.181 and a limit with 1.185. This would mean once my order is triggered, my execution price can only be between 1.181 and 1.185. In this case, I can reduce the slippage. With a regular stop market order, I would be exposed to any slippage happening in the market. Another way to, let's say, stop limit order below the market price even for buying would be to set a specific stop price with 1.179 for example, and once this stop order is triggered, a limit order will be placed at 1.177. So I could be executed between those two, or I will only execute it if the price drops even further. Let's also create a stop limit sell order. So I'm adding a price, let's say also below the market price, the current one. I'm setting the stop price for my sell order to 1.179 and the limit price to 1.18. So in this scenario, when the stop price is getting triggered, it places a limit order at 1.18. And once the price goes up again, I am inside the market. When the stop price gets triggered, it would create a limit price as well, and the price I could get executed is between 1.179 and 1.18. Another option which we have are the operations. This is for quickly opening and closing trades. It allows me to buy and sell either on ask or a bid price. So it will either create a market order or a limit order depending on the ask and bid price. There's another option to reverse. This would allow me to not only close the position but reopen a position in the opposite direction, so from long to short. With the flattened button, as we see, I can simply close the position. Just for a simple explanation, an order means it's not yet filled. A position is an order which got filled and is now a trading position with a current open profit and loss. The operations might be useful for scalping, for example, scalping without a trading strategy, and at least scalping without an automated trading strategy. And as you can see, after I closed a couple of positions, I can now go to the trades manager, analyze my profit and loss and other data, and I can open a snapshot. And this time it will open the chart style I created for the list chart group. I had one list chart container there, and it will show me 4 time frames. Alright, let's have a short summary what we just learned. We talked about the standard chart trading path for creating orders and sending it to a broker or simulated account. We talked about defining the order size. We saw that we have a buy and sell button to send these orders. We talked about different order types available in AgenaTrader. There was a short explanation how to use them with examples. We had market orders, limit orders, stop and stop limit orders. We talked about the order expiry, where we have 3 options available: GTC, good deal cancel. So an order will only expire if you manually cancel it. Good deal day, which means the order is available on this day. And GDD, the order is available till a specific date and time, and after that it will be deleted automatically. We have quick order operations for buy and sell on ask and bid prices, including an option to reverse a position or flat a position. Last but not least, we talked about the order and trades manager, which are available via the trading information, and they will show us all open and closed orders as well as states and all open and closed trades and their state. And we also saw that every closed trade will produce a snapshot, which allows me to later on see my entry and exit markers if I have set up a proper chart template for that. Alright, this is the first of 4 videos about discretionary trading tools in AgenaTrader. The next video is about chart trading and order connections. With the order connections, it will be then possible to create discretionary trading strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.